Hi, I'm Jason Bredemann. I'm a LandGuys agent in northern Wisconsin. I live in Phillips with my wife, 2 kids, and I've been here since 2008. I know the area very well as far as a recreational standpoint. I think what makes the Northwoods special is just the abundance of recreational opportunities. There's so much public land where you can grouse hunt, you can deer hunt, bear hunt, you can do everything there. There's rivers, there's lakes, and there's snowmobile trails, and there's so much open for ATV and UTV. You can really enjoy the area all season long. Right now, land, recreational properties are really drawing the most interest. I really feel it's a lack of inventory in the market that is driving it. If you're on the fence about selling, I'd just like you to know that the market is still remaining strong for land and recreational properties. And I'm happy to come out and take a look at your property and give you a free market analysis to help you with a value.